Okay, hello again. So I might mention about 2 or 3 videos back, I think it was, that I was going to be doing some courses. I'd be letting you guys know. It's all going to be around personal development, which is what this channel is. But so I just wanted to say that hasn't happened just yet, but it is going to happen fairly soon. The first one I'm going to do is going to be about resilience. Resilience is something I've talked about quite a bit on this channel. I've read quite a few books that kind of centre around resilience. You've got Eric Greitens' Resilience, that's what it's called. He's an ex-Navy SEAL, that one's fantastic. You've got Mark Manson's books as well, which kind of look at resilience in a slightly different way, which can be quite interesting. But there's loads of good stuff out there. This course, I'm going to do it as a webinar. I will let you know in a video fairly soon about the details, but I just wanted to say if you've got any ideas of any sort of stuff you want me to cover in particular, please feel free to put it in the comments section below. Please also feel free to like and subscribe as well if you get an opportunity, that really helps. But yeah, I'm really keen to help people with personal development to move forward, to basically achieve their potential. That's something that's really excited me in the past couple of years since I've started doing this, is this idea of our potential. So I've been a trainer and a consultant for quite a few years now, but I'm really starting to enjoy this kind of one-to-one coaching, this kind of lifestyle coaching sort of stuff, personal development. I'm really starting to enjoy it. I want to get as much kind of information out there as possible. So I will be doing this resilience course, and it's going to cover such things as kind of controlling your emotions, so emotional regulation, the importance of empathy, reaching out to people, because we find it so difficult. We seem to find it so difficult in terms of kind of asking people for things. We don't like to ask for anything, but actually if you don't ever ask anyone, then you can't expect to ever get a yes from anyone. So reaching out is really important. I'm going to sort of speak about how we can deal with our fears and our insecurities and how we can get the confidence to do that, because it does take confidence to reach out, but it's really important. Also practicing self-love and kind of appreciation for yourself, so forgiving yourself for things you may have done in the past or may not have done, regrets that you might have, letting go of that past so that you can properly move forward, so you're resilient enough to kind of get back up and move on and learn from your mistakes, rather than sort of holding on to them and having that negativity weighing down on you. I'm sure we're all aware of how that feels. Brené Brown as well, she talks about setting boundaries and the importance of setting boundaries and sticking to them, and how actually setting boundaries is actually kind of not just healthy for you, but it's healthier for the people around you as well. So it's much better, she says, to choose discomfort over resentment. So if someone asks you to do something that you don't want to do, and you just have the confidence to tell them no, and that way you're not going to resent it. Whereas if you're happy to do it, you do it happily. It sounds simple, but it's not always easy to achieve, but we'll talk about that. And of course, the fantastic book Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl is one of the best books there is on personal development as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure lots of people would agree with me on that. And there's lots of really good kind of information in there in terms of how we can be more resilient, in terms of how we can look at life and kind of improve things for ourselves no matter what our situation. Because some people are in really horribly difficult situations, but I think it's important to remember that people have been there before. So yeah, it will be a resilience course. I will let you know as soon as possible when it's going to be, where it's going to be, and hopefully get you on to have a look at it. Cheers.